Looking for a great birthday party game for kids? Well, I've got one that's fun, keeps everyone involved, and celebrates the birthday boy or girl in a totally unique way. It is the left-right birthday party game. Hi, I'm Sharon Rowley from Mom of 6, and today I am talking about the fun past the present game known as the left-right party game. So this game can be played one of two ways. You can play it where everyone's going to get to open a gift, and if that's the case, then you need to provide enough gifts for everybody that comes to the party. Or you can play it where there's just one gift. But the gifts are best if they're funny and silly, age-appropriate gag gifts. And if you're playing where everyone's going to get a gift, maybe make one or two of them be something like truly desirable. But the point is they're all supposed to be inexpensive. Now, to get the game started, have everyone sit in a circle and place the gifts in the center. And if you're playing with multiple gifts, have the kids start to choose, starting with the birthday boy or girl. If you're playing with just one gift, then have the birthday boy or girl start. Now read the story out loud. And as the story says left or right, pass the gifts around to the person on your left or right as the story describes. The magic in this whole game is the great story about the birthday boy or girl that initiates the present passing. And I have got a fun printable story that tells the tale of how the birthday boy or girl thought their birthday had been forgotten by all their family and friends. So kids are going to laugh along with the story, all while focusing on those gifts being passed around, hoping that the one that they want will come their way. So head on over to Mom of 6 now to download this free printable left-right party game. It's available in my free Printables library created just for Mom of 6 newsletter subscribers, and you can find all of the links down below. Thanks so much for watching. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our next video. I'll see you soon.